1976 Jeep CJ-5 for sale in Edgefield, South Carolina 29824. This 1976 Jeep CJ-5 is shown in mellow yellow and beige vinyl interior. It is powered by a 304 CV8 gas engine and is paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. There are low miles since the restoration. Original mileage is at 116,630. Features fully restored all working gauges, original working dash, new Rhino liner, new steering column, new radiator, new full soft top and bikini top, brand new 33 BFGs and 2.5 Lift Rhino lined inside and under, wheel wells, zero rust. Inside looks good as outside. No scratches and no off-road since restoration. Please call 402-502-8385 for more information. Attention buyers. Caveat: Emptor, please remember to inspect vehicle prior to purchase.